Hello everyone, I am going to show how can we download our characters and animations in Adobe Maximum. Let's go. We can see lots of characters and animation presets are free at this website. Now I am going to select the character. Now we can see our character with 360 degree in this animation viewer and press download. I am going to leave these settings as default. Now click on the animation tab. After that, click on any animation for the preview. Now you can search the animations here. Okay, now click the In Place checkbox and press download. Now as the same, leave all setting as default and press download. That's all for today guys. In our next tutorial, I am going to show how to import animation and character into Unreal Engine. Thanks for watching and please like, share and subscribe.